they are requesting here, can you do me a favor? So can we have used as a to asking a favor from someone, right? So it's basically requesting. Clear? Next, can I go with my friends? Permission. Permission, you are asking, right? You are asking from your parents. Suppose you want to go for any trip, right? With your friends. So you are asking, you are taking permission from your parents. Can I go with my friends? Right? So I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, you can hit the like button. If you have any confusion, you can comment me in the comment box as well, right? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.